In this video, I will show you how to buy a domain on Namecheap. To do this, just go to Namecheap's website, and then what you want to do is go to the account section and just click on it. Then if you already have an account, go to login. If you don't, just click on sign up to create an account. So I already have one, so I'll just sign in. Then after you create your account or sign in, just go to the domain section and click domain name search. Now here just search for whatever domain you want to purchase. For example, I'll do Danny's Tutorials, and then you can just click search and then you will see all the available options. For example, in this case I have .com, .academy and a lot more, and you can see right here the price. So I'll just find a cheap one for this video, but you can just pick whichever one you want. So this one right here is only 84 cents per year, so I'll just take this one right here, Danny's Tutorials.online, and from there you can then click add to cart on whichever one you want, then click on checkout. Now if you want, you can also get web hosting with it, so you can see that right here. You can enable that if you wish to, but for this example I'll just purchase the domain, and here you can choose for how long you want to purchase it. I'll set it to 1 year. Then here in the right you will have your subtotal, so just click confirm order if you want to go and purchase it. Then you may need to enter some more details about your business and about yourself, so just go and enter all of this right here. And then after clicking continue, you can then see this right here. So basically you can choose who the contact is for everything, and then you can click continue again. Now here you will need to enter your payment details, so you can add a card right here, or you can choose to use PayPal or your account funds if you already have funds in your account. I'll just use a card and add a card right here. So then here you can also choose your renewal settings for your purchase, so you can automatically renew all of your eligible new services before expiration. You can do this if you're pretty sure you want to keep the domain. The renewal could be at a higher price, but for this example I won't auto renew anything, and just click continue. And then you can just go and click pay now if you want to. And now the order has been sent, so just wait for the payment to go through. And you can see thank you for your order. Now you can just go and close this. And I have now purchased this domain right here, and you can now click manage. And now here you can see I now have this domain, and from here you can now manage it. You can also redirect the domain, redirect email, and you can just do with the domain whatever you want to use it for. So now you know how to buy a domain on Namecheap. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.